In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add or remove Notes shortcut to the Control Center. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings, then scroll down for a bit and get into Control Center. Now here you can find two different boxes or sections. The first is included controls. There you can find shortcuts that are already at the Control Center. And the next one is more controls. From here you can add any shortcuts to the Control Center. So here you can easily find notes, and all you have to do to add notes to the Control Center is just tap right here at plus sign. It moves it to included controls, and now if you swipe down from the top right hand corner you can easily find that notes shortcut right there. You can tap on that to bring up Notes app, and from here you can easily create new note and then hit on done to save it. Also, you can go back here, and there you can change the order of that shortcuts. You can hold down your finger and drag this feature up or down, and now you can open up Control Center again, and as you can see, now Notes shortcut located at the very first position. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.